Example 1. Given that cosine A equals 0.6 and the cosine B equals 0.8, A and B are two acute angles. Find sine A plus B. If given that A and B are two acute angles, this means that angle A and the angle B, both angles are in the first quadrant. So I write cosine A equals 0.6. I write this value as a fraction, 3/5. Remember that cosine's angle equals adjacent over hypotenuse. I draw a right angle triangle for angle A. The adjacent equals 3 and the hypotenuse equals 5. By using the rule of Pythagoras theorem, the opposite side to angle A equals square root 5/2 minus 3/2 equals 4. Remember that if angle A is an acute angle, so the adjacent and the opposite are positive values. Also for angle B, cosine B is given as 0.8. I write this value as a fraction, 0.8 equals 4/5. Then I draw a right angle triangle for angle B. Cosine angle B equals 4/5. The adjacent side equals 4 and the hypotenuse equals 5. The adjacent equals 4 and the hypotenuse equals 5. So by using the rule of Pythagoras theorem, the opposite side equals square root 5/2 minus 4/2. And this value equals 3. Then sine A plus B, by using the previous rule, sine A plus B equals sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. Then sine A plus B equals sine A from the right angle triangle of angle A. Sine angle A equals opposite over hypotenuse, which equals 4/5. And the cosine B from the right angle triangle of angle B, cosine the value equals the adjacent over hypotenuse equals 4/5. And cosine angle A from the right angle triangle for angle A, I get the value of cosine angle A adjacent over hypotenuse 3/5. Multiplied by sine angle B, sine B equals an opposite 3 and the hypotenuse equals 5, sine B equals opposite over hypotenuse 3/5. Then I calculate this value and I get the value of sine A plus B equals 1. Another example, if sine angle A equals -8/17, given that angle A is more than 180 degrees and less than 270 degrees. This means that angle A is in the third quadrant. And the third quadrant, I know that the cosine is negative and the sine also is negative. Also cosine angle B equals -5/13. Given that angle B is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. And this means that angle B is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the value of cosine will be negative and the sine of angle B will be positive value. It is required to find cotan A minus B. Firstly, I draw a right angle triangle for angle A. Given that sine A is -8/17, sine the angle equals opposite over hypotenuse. And then, in the right angle triangle, the value of the opposite side will be 8 and the hypotenuse equals 17. By using the rule of Pythagoras theorem, the adjacent side to angle A equals square root 17/2 minus 8/2. Then the adjacent side to angle A equals 15. Remember that angle A is more than 180 and less than 270. This means that angle A is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, the adjacent side will be negative, also the opposite side will be negative. And so I write the adjacent negative 15 and the opposite side equals negative 8. For angle B, given that cosine B equals negative 5 over 13, I'll draw a right angle and triangle for angle B. The cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent equals 5 and the hypotenuse equals 13. I'll find the length of the third side in the right angle triangle by using the rule of Pythagoras here. The third side equals square root 13 power 2 minus 5 power 2 equals 12. And the angle B is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the length of the adjacent side will be negative, and also the opposite side will be positive value. If the angle in the second quadrant, the cosine will be negative and the sine will be positive. By using the rule of 10a minus b, 10a minus b equals 10a minus 10b over 1 plus 10a multiplied by 10b. 10 angle A equals opposite over adjacent. Negative 8 over negative 15 equals 8. 10b equals opposite over adjacent equals 12 over negative 5. Over 1 plus these two values, 8 over 15 multiplied by negative 12 over 5. I calculate the value of 10a minus b, which equals negative 220 over 21. It is required to find the cotan a minus b. And you know that cotan a minus b equals 1 over 10 a minus b. So, to get the cotan value, I get the multiplicative inverse of negative 220 over 21. Then cotan a minus b equals 21 over negative 220.